In this video, I will show you how to make money while you are sleeping. So stay with me until the end of the video to learn about different ideas of making money online in your sleep. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. I want to share 4 ideas with you today so that you can make money online while you sleep. The first passive idea is to start a YouTube channel. YouTube gives you the opportunity to earn passive income through your videos. Like a webinar, it's possible to join the unboxing process, make a cooking videos, or even summarize videos. Making money on YouTube is a great idea, regardless of the niche you decide to choose. This method is starting to come into production day by day, and setting up and implementing it requires a significant amount of entailed effort. In addition, the amount of money the people earn can vary greatly from person to person. But if your content is of high quality, you will have the opportunity to earn income through advertising revenue, sponsoring, and creating your own products such as training courses or online courses. Once you have enough subscribers and people watching your videos regularly, you can take a break from time to time and continue making money in the background. Even if you are sleeping, other people are watching your videos and sending you ad revenue. The second idea is dropshipping. By dropshipping, you never physically touch the products. You don't even have to design them. You just choose them. But Shopify is most people's favorite platform for creating online stores that offer dropshipping. With dropshipping, you have a site that offers products from specific manufacturers, and when someone orders something through your site, your system simply sends the order to the manufacturer. The items you want are in stock, tagged and shipped with your name. You just order. After people order from you, pay for it and then ship it if necessary. However, you should note that most dropshipping involves ordering goods from other countries, especially China. Since you never have physical interaction with the items, there can be quality control issue and you don't know the conditions under which your items were made. If you choose to dropship, make sure you find a reputable company. Buying or starting a small business is the third passive idea. When it comes to making money while you sleep, most people look to the internet as their main source. It doesn't matter what type of small business you run, as long as you can delegate some of the work to other people. Do you think a McDonald's 10-point fixer is currently working in a restaurant flipping hamburgers? Probably not. If you have some money to invest in a startup businesses, you should look at the local concessions and research the businesses aspects of neighboring cities. This way you can find a gap in the market that will create a passive income stream for you. The fourth idea I want to share with you is investing in real estate. While it's true that you need a hefty investment to make money in real estate, owning a few rental properties is an amazing way to make money while you sleep. When you invest in real estate, you can earn income as the property increases in value. You will only see the profit when you sell the property. If you prefer to have cash flow now, invest in real estate. The generators rental income brings you. Some people consider a real estate investment trust as a real estate manual fund. REIT, it's a collection of properties managed by a company that uses money that investors give them to buy and develop real estate. You can invest in trusts that build apartments, apartment buildings, commercial complexes, and other facilities. REIT, it pays you interest. These are perfect income generating assets for people who want an easy way to get involved in real estate investing without having to buy a property. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.